Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase pace in fast bowling. To start, focus on building a solid foundation. A strong core and lower body are crucial for generating power. Next, refine your run-up. It's not just about speed, but about rhythm and control. A smooth, accelerating run-up sets the stage for an explosive delivery. We'll cover specific techniques to help you add those extra miles per hour. To truly boost your pace, dedicated physical conditioning is essential. Integrate plyometric exercises like box jumps and broad jumps to build explosive power in your legs. Strengthen your core with exercises such as planks and medicine ball twists, which are vital for stability and energy transfer. Don't forget sprints and agility drills. They improve overall speed and coordination, directly impacting your run-up and delivery. Refining your bowling technique is key to unlocking more pace. Aim for a high arm action, ensuring your bowling arm comes over your head, not around. This creates a longer lever and more momentum. Drive powerfully through your front foot as you release the ball, transferring all that built-up energy. A strong, stable wrist at the point of release also adds significant zip to your delivery, making the ball harder to hit. Consistent practice is the ultimate accelerator for your bowling pace. Dedicate sessions specifically to pace drills, focusing on the techniques we've discussed. Recording your bowling can provide invaluable feedback, helping you spot and correct any inefficiencies in your action. Remember to maintain a positive and determined mindset. Believing in your ability to improve is half the battle. Always warm up thoroughly and cool down properly to prevent injuries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.